Variopox Finishing Filler is a two-component solvent-free epoxy finishing filler suitable for pre-treated steel, aluminium, wood and GRP. Always use the recommended personal protection during application. After cleaning, degreasing and sanding, the surface should be degreased one more time with double coat degreaser. Unscrew the cap from the cartridge and pull the special plug from the spout of the cartridge. The use of pliers or a screwdriver is recommended. Place the cartridge in a caulking gun and squeeze the required quantity for the cartridge. Check if both components are dosed from the cartridge. Mix both components thoroughly on a flat surface until a homogeneous color. Apply the mixture by putty knife or squeegee. Smoothen the surface as much as possible to prevent additional sanding after curing. After 24 hours curing at 20 degrees Celsius and sanding with P120 or P180, a next coat of Variopox Finishing Filler or Amopox HB coating can be applied. Small areas and repairs above the waterline may be recoated directly with double coat after a sanding with P220 or P280 before applying one of the double coat products. Putty knives and other tools may be cleaned with double coat degreaser. Clean the spout of the cartridge and close it with the plug. The cartridge can then be used a next time. Good luck!